out of here. I'll call Mallory. She might have somewhere we can hide out.
I'm a happy homemaker and child rearer when I'm not blowing the coast.
Hey, beautiful. Listen, me and Nico are in a bit of trouble. Need to get out the broker a few days. Any of your cousins have a place we can use out in Bowden? You're an angel. Beautiful and kind. I love you. We'll see you there. Maybe things are not so bad.
This I did not expect.
I was thinking about getting out of the cab business. Last night I had a dream.
Really?
Yes. You and I had a place of our own. A place where people come to eat and relax. Classic place. None of this fast food diner bullshit. A real restaurant. Now, it's a place of distinction, you know?
I can't see myself settling down.
Not now. In the dream, you met the right woman. She's you're like my Mallory. In the dream, Mallory and me are married. Everything's great. This could be the start. Fresh beginning.
All I know is we have to get as far from Dimitri and Bulgarin as we can.
We will. But I have left something important at the apartment. Something I must show you, cousin.
What happens when Dada meets Dover? My favorite part of the exhibit was when the pandas freaked the species out of and then rolled around on a canoe.
What the hell? Holy fuck, it's fucking burning! The whole place! I've got to go in. I've got to get something.
Leave it, Gus. This place is gone.
They burnt it! They fucking burnt it, Nico! You know how long it took me to get a place of my own. You got nothing to know, and I was here for you.
I know you were.
I got here and I had nothing. Nobody. I went now. Jesus, so far. Fuck. I've got nothing left. Not my home, not my business, nothing. They took it all.
I'm sorry, Roman. I'm really sorry, but we have to go. We'll leave Mallory and Bo at it. We still have her.
And you, for all the good you've done me. You know how long it took me to get set up here? You don't, because it was easy for you. You had it all from day one. It took me months to get some cash together. Finally I bought the cab, and then another. Then I got the depot. I slept under my desk at that place for over a year. Then I got the apartment. The apartment you thought was so shitty. Well, it doesn't matter. And now it's gone, along with everything else.
I said I was sorry.
You have a lot to apologize for. Since you got here, I've had my computer smashed. I've been beaten up. I was kidnapped and then shot in the stomach. My apartment got burned down and so did my business. Things have been going so good. Just right since you showed up.
You remember that time we went to the bar back home and found it razed to the ground? Just a pile of rubble. Everything stank. Except for that one bottle of vodka.
Yeah, we sat down and finished it off there and then. Wait, I don't want to talk about back home. We're here in America. And I should be thinking about my life here. My life, which is ruined, destroyed, shut up, try. Yeah, the other way. What's up? No, what do you mean? I haven't been crying, it's my allergies. Nico's wearing this alone. Yeah, I'm trying to impress Michelle or something. They're coming to your cousins. Are you there? Good. See you in a bit. My dream? It was just that. A dream. I get out of town and now I have nothing to buy it with. I have nothing.
I told you. You still have Mallory.
I wanted to really have her. I wanted to marry her.
You can still do that.
I had bought her a ring. That is what I wanted to show you. It was a beautiful ring. I was with her. Now I have nothing. Come on. Here we are. beginning of our new lives. Again. Not so bad. I don't think we'll be impressing women with a wonderful hot tub, but this looks okay.
Yes, great.
Come on, what's wrong?
What's wrong? What's wrong? Where should I start? All right, let's start with you. What's wrong with you? 15 minutes ago, you were cowering in fear because you didn't know what was going to happen. Now, you know everything is shit. I'm going to be killed, and you're all cheerful. I don't get it.
I guess I'm an optimist.
An idiot, not an optimist.
I was born a broker anyway. I'm glad you turned up and made some Russian killers burn down my home and business. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Miko. Thanks a bunch. Is that better? Much.
Thank God you're okay. Mwah. Both of you.
We're fucked. We're broke and on the run.
No, I'm from IKEA, Nico. I know a bunch of people who might be able to help out. Why don't you come and meet me at the community center later on? I gotta go to work. Bye, Papi. Mwah. And have a shower. You smell a little, mature.
So, I guess we start again.
Sure. I'm going out.